Let's face it, no one plans for a car accident, but almost everyone will have one. One moment you're singing in the car, the next, crunch, your day is turned upside down. What you do in the first hour after a crash is crucial. It's your golden hour. The difference between a smooth recovery and a nightmare of paperwork and regret. I've talked to lawyers, insurance adjusters, and ER doctors to bring you the real expert-backed steps you need. Most people make costly mistakes, admitting fault, forgetting evidence, or taking a lowball insurance offer just to end the hassle. But you'll be prepared. You'll know what to do, what to say, and who to call. The other driver's insurance company isn't your friend. Their job is to pay as little as possible. Your job is to protect your health, your finances, and your sanity. So let's dive in. Forget panic. Let's get you ready to handle a crash like a pro. Being prepared isn't paranoia, it's power. Here's how to take control when everything feels out of control. After the crash, your first job is to fight the urge to panic. Take a deep breath. Your brain needs to be sharp. Staying calm lets you check for injuries and take charge of the situation. Now grab your smartphone. It's your best tool. Take lots of photos, wide shots of the scene, close-ups of damage, license plates, driver's licenses, and insurance cards. If there are witnesses, get their contact info, and if possible, a photo of their ID. The more evidence, the better. Photos don't lie. Stories can change, but your documentation is your shield. Make quick notes, time, weather, street names, and a play-by-play of what happened. Write down anything the other driver says, especially if they admit fault. Your memory will fade. Capture details now. A calm mind and a phone full of evidence are your best friends. This is how you build a rock-solid case. Don't skip this step. No matter how minor the crash, always call the police. The police create an official accident report, your strongest evidence for insurance. Without it, your claim can devolve into a messy he said, she said. When the officer arrives, stick to the facts. Don't guess, embellish, or admit fault. Let the officer document the scene and gather statements. Police also help keep the scene safe and de-escalate tensions. In many states, reporting is legally required for injuries or significant damage. Even if it's not, it's the smartest move. After the police call your insurance company to notify them of the accident, you don't need to give a full statement yet, just start the process. These calls formalize the incident and protect you. Don't skip them. It's your first step toward getting things back to normal. You might feel fine after a crash, but don't trust it. Adrenaline can mask serious injuries. Whiplash, concussions, and internal injuries often show up hours or days later. Always get checked by a doctor right after the accident, even if you feel okay. This creates a medical record linking your injuries to the crash. If you wait, the insurance company can argue your injuries happened later. Tell the doctor everything, even minor aches. It's better to be safe than sorry. Protect your health and your claim with immediate medical attention. Think of it as insurance for your body. Next comes the insurance battle. The other driver's adjuster may sound friendly, but their job is to pay you as little as possible. Don't give a recorded statement to the other insurer. You're not required to, and it can be used against you. Let your own insurance company or a lawyer handle communications. With your own insurer, be honest and thorough. Share your evidence and the police report. Your insurer will open a claim and advocate for you. The process takes time. Be patient and organized. Keep a file of every conversation, email, and document. Note dates, names, and summaries of discussions. This organization is your best defense against confusion and delays. You're now managing a project, getting your life back to normal. Stay focused and proactive. Don't let the process overwhelm you. You're in control. Even if you're not at fault, the other insurer may try to pin some blame on you. This is called comparative negligence. Why? If they can say you're 20% at fault, they pay 20% less. This is where your evidence pays off. Use the police report and your photos to push back. Stay calm and stick to the facts. If they lowball your repair or medical claim, get independent estimates and negotiate. You have the right to choose your repair shop and to fair compensation. Don't accept the first offer if it's too low. If needed, consult a personal injury lawyer. They know how to fight for you. Stand your ground. You deserve to be made whole. After a crash, you're vulnerable and scammers know it. Beware of unsolicited calls from accident specialists or claims assistants. They may be steering you to shady providers for a kickback. Hang up. Only work with professionals you choose. Watch out for tow trucks that show up uninvited. They may hit you with huge fees. Only use a tow service you or the police call, and always ask about costs and where your car is going. Be wary of body shops that pressure you, give vague estimates, or refuse to use quality parts. Research shops, read reviews, and trust your gut. Avoid medical mills that seem more interested in your claim than your health. See your own doctor or a reputable clinic. Your health and your car are too important to trust to just anyone. Stay alert and protect yourself. You've learned the steps. Stay calm, document everything, call the police, get medical care, and negotiate smartly. The system can feel overwhelming, but you have more power than you think. Every action you take builds your case and protects your future. Be proactive, not reactive. Take charge from the start. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, question it. Don't be afraid to say no or to seek help from a lawyer if things get complicated. Save this info. Maybe even keep a checklist in your glove box. Being prepared turns chaos into calm and confusion into control. You're not just a victim, you're the manager of your own recovery. Know your rights, know the traps, and don't settle for less than you deserve. You've got this. Drive safe, stay smart, and seriously, put your phone away while driving. Preparation is your superpower.